Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Nacho Dad. Today, I'm fixing the fuel pump in my truck. Look down here, I've already got the old one out. We got one board on the flatbed off and the headache rack apart, and I had to take all this apart to get to 2 screws. Well, not putting those 2 back in. Look down here, there's the tank. Got about half a tank in it. It's got some schmoo in it, but I'm not dropping it and cleaning it, so it'll just have some schmoo in it. Here's my new pump. It's a top scope. It's like 45 bucks on Amazon, so we're gonna see how well this thing works. So I'm gonna slide this thing together and we'll drop it in. All right, we got the float on. Let's see if we can't weasel this. All right, and we'll put this on, then I'll bring you back. All right, retainer ring's back in. And now, oh no, we've lost the parts. Whew, okay, found the parts. I'm gonna take these off. I about freaked out there for a second. All right, swap the little clips over, and now, everything should pop right back together. Plug back in. Put the safety clip back in. All right, well, let's see if she'll start. Might not just have enough power. Let's try again here in a second. Took a little persuasion, but she's running again. Running a little rich to start, but this thing's been sitting here, dead battery and all kinds of stuff, just trying to get it fixed. So, all right, I guess I'm gonna put the back of the bed back together. Wish me luck, and I'll come back when we get that. We'll take it on a test drive, see if it's fixed. All right, I'll see you when I get it back together. I don't know how well this is showing up on this camera, but I haven't washed this side. I have washed this side. That's a lot of schmoo over the last 9 months. I take this thing to the car wash, maybe once a month, but I haven't actually brushed the bed. I just hit it with the power hose. Yeah, that's a noticeable difference. So if you do build a wood flatbed, wash it every couple of months. They start turning gray. Walk you over to this side. See, it's turning gray. Over here where I washed it, it's nice and clean. Even though we're looking into the sun, I'm sure you can tell. That's nice. So I'm gonna keep scrubbing on this, and it's just a little purple power and some car wash with a bristle brush. I'm not scrubbing hard, I'm just going over it. All right, I'll bring you back when I get done. Just a little quick update video on it. I'm trying to clean the whole truck today because she's filthy. All right, back to scrubbing. All right, so I went ahead and got the rest of it all cleaned up. I think it looks pretty good. Did the whole truck. And I figured, well, I got about another half hour or so. I'm gonna put my board up in here. So this kind of be like finishing the flatbed. Went ahead and gave the whole truck a wash. Put some tire shine on it. Looks good till you get up front, and it looks not so good. But I think I got a bumper coming, and I think I found a grill. So, all right. Since it's just kind of like a little update video stuff, I guess I'll show you how to put the, finishing up putting the board on it. I know I've got one light for a backup light, so I might just, mount one backup light up in there real quick. I've got 2, but I've only got one mounting, like the hardware to mount it, so might put that up there. Flatbed looks good. Looks real good. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, boom, here we go. That's I didn't do much. I don't know if you can see it because I can barely see it on camera, but I put this board in, kind of close up the back. I'm sorry, it's a little shaky. And put me a reverse light in over here so I can see kind of where I'm going. But all right, there's the finished bed after it's cleaned. We're probably going to stain it again, maybe next weekend. Try a new stain, see how it looks. So yeah, until then, I'll catch y'all on the next one.